Hey, just welcome back to ACMETOP is in worth it. So today episode we got this cool element right here, and basically what this is the over the door hook. If you see the one that we got right here from this brand, and for the one that we got right here, they give you guys 5 different hooks option, and all you need to do is hook this over your door. So this is what the package looks like when you guys first get in. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So there's basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different hooks available. And when you guys feel the material that's on here, it definitely feels like a high quality material. And for the back part here is basically where you guys want to hook it over your door. But if you guys notice for the top part here and right here, they do have a little hole. So that way if you guys do want to drill somewhere, you do have that option as well. And then if you guys look carefully right here, they do have the brand logo. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go hang this to show you guys how to set it up, and we'll also show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so right here we do have the door. So all you need to do is just hang it over like this. And you close the door. Here's basically what the product looks like once you guys hang it over here. So if you guys want to hang like your towels, or if you guys want to hang other stuff on here, you definitely have that option available. So if you guys bring it up close, here is basically what the product looks like. And when you guys do pull it, it's actually very sturdy, so very easy and very simple for you guys to use it. And you guys can definitely hang whatever you guys want on here. So this is what the product looks like on this side. If I open the door to show you guys the other side, here is the other side. And if you guys want to take it out, it's really easy for you to take it out. So just like this, and it's all set. So that is basically everything that's on the product right here. If you can see, very easy and very simple for you to set it up.